I'm Eric Steinhardt, and I would like to talk to you about Richard Dawkins and Plotinus. What do Dawkins and Plotinus have in common? Let's start with Plotinus. Plotinus celebrates the beauty of the cosmic spectacle. Plotinus says the purpose of existence is to maximize vision. Dawkins talks about evolution. Simpler atoms evolve into more complex atoms. Simpler molecules evolve into more complex molecules. Molecules of DNA carry information. And simple eyes start to evolve in the first unicellular organisms. Evolution begins to maximize vision. Eyes keep evolving. Eyes keep evolving. And eyes keep evolving. Evolution is maximizing vision as it maximizes eyes. Every eye is like a mirror. Every eye reflects what it sees. You can see the little image of the candle there appears again, inverted on the back of the retina. The eye is a mirror that reflects what it sees. So evolution is also maximizing reflection. Reflection. What is reflection? A part of the whole reflects the whole. What does that mean? It means the structure of the part mirrors the structure of the whole. Here's an example. The Chicago bean. Part of Chicago reflects Chicago. There is an image of Chicago internal to Chicago itself. New York City contains a scale model of itself. There is a building in Queens which contains a scale model of the entirety of New York City. And so a part of New York City reflects New York City. That part of New York City has the same structure as the whole. Every cell in a multicellular organism contains a genetic recipe for the construction of the whole organism. Every cellular part contains a genetic description of the whole. That means every cellular part reflects the whole. Parts of our bodies reflect our entire bodies. The human body contains cells, cells contain chromosomes, chromosomes contain DNA, and the DNA contains a program or recipe for the generation of the entire body. Every cell is like a little mirror that reflects or represents the structure of the whole in which it sits. But human eyes also have human brains. And the brain contains an image of the body. Part of the body reflects the whole body. The image of the body in the brain is sometimes called the cerebral homunculus. It's a depiction of the body as if it were inscribed upon the surface of the brain. And brains make theories that reflect the universe. Here's the periodic table of elements. That's a theory of the universe within the universe. It's a part of the universe that reflects the structure of the entire material content of the universe. Brainy humans build technologies to observe the universe. We build eyes outside of our own bodies, like the Hubble telescope pictured here. This image of the Crab Nebula, taken by the Hubble, reflects the original Crab Nebula. This is an image on your computer which mirrors the Crab Nebula many light years away. A very small part of the universe, this slide, reflects a very large part of the universe, the spiral galaxy, of which this slide is an image. Parts of the universe reflect enormously larger parts of the universe. Now Dawkins says that, against all odds, we have awoken to find ourselves looking at this cosmic spectacle. He says, quote, that we are hugely blessed, privileged, and not just privileged to enjoy our planet. More, we are granted the opportunity to understand why our eyes are open and why they see what they do in the short time before they close forever. Like Plotinus, Dawkins celebrates cosmic beauty, and he celebrates the observation of this cosmic beauty. And we do more than just open our eyes. We also build models of the universe in the universe. We build parts of the universe that reflect the universe back to itself. We build computers that simulate the universe on cosmic scales. Here is the Millennium simulation that reflects the evolution of the universe on the galactic scale. We build mental models of the whole universe. Here is a part of the universe that represents the entire universe from its start to the present day, 13.7 billion years. Dawkins says we can get outside of the universe by building models of it in our heads. That's from Unweaving the Rainbow, page 312. And here is the famous Flammarion woodcut, which shows a man poking his head outside of the cosmos. From the atom to the Millennium simulation, evolution maximizes reflection. But to maximize reflection is to maximize vision. Dawkins says we can get outside of the universe. I mean in the sense of putting a model of the universe inside our skulls. The construction of this model is the purpose of human life. He says, yes, this is why it was worth coming to life in the first place. So the purpose of life is to maximize reflection. The purpose of life is to maximize vision. That's why it's worth coming to life, according to Dawkins. What do Dawkins and Plotinus have in common? Maximize vision. I'm Eric Steinhardt. Thanks for watching. You can learn more about me at my website, www.ericsteinhardt.com.